The KitchenAid pasta roller and cutter attachments. Secure the pasta roller attachment into the hub of your KitchenAid stand mixer. Start with your pasta roller on the widest setting to begin kneading your dough. Turn your stand mixer to speed 2 and feed the dough through the pasta roller at least 3 times, folding the dough in half between each roll. To prevent sticking, dust the pasta dough with flour throughout the rolling and cutting process. Repeat the rolling process until the dough is smooth and pliable. Gradually increase the setting of your pasta roller until you reach your desired thickness. Settings 4 and 5 work best for lasagna and cannelloni noodles. If using the pasta cutters, use pasta roller settings 4 or 5 to make spaghetti, lasagnette, and hearty fettuccine. For a thin fettuccine noodle, use pasta roller settings 6 or 7. To make very thin pasta, use the capellini cutter and roll your dough using pasta roller settings 7 or 8. Fresh, authentic pasta in your kitchen. From KitchenAid.